Welcome to Planter Garden TV. How you guys doing today? Well guys, we gonna be walking through these eggplant and we're gonna check the growth. We're gonna check to see what's going on with them. We're gonna check to see if they're holding on their flowers. We're gonna check to see if they start producing. This is very important because why it's important, because we have a short growing season and we need to know what is going on with our plant. We don't have the time to sit back and just watch all the flowers fall off and no production. We don't have the time. So our focus now is checking these plants out to make sure that they're doing well and producing. So now we come here and this is one of our eggplant, and what we see going on right now, we see it producing, we see it growing because it adding new leaf, which is awesome, and we also see that it producing flowers, which is wonderful. The stem is showing you that the plant is doing well. The plant is receiving the nutrients that's in the soil, the mineral. The plant shows you that. It shows you that in the stem. It shows you in their leaf. It shows you how healthy the flowers looking. All right. This is the next one right here. And as we see, it's the same result. The same result. Plant is doing well, plant looking healthy, and plant is producing. The leaf them looking so broad and green and nice. Very healthy plant. This plant giving you an indication of it's doing really well. We come over to this another one, and this one is doing awesome. It don't have enough flowers at this moment, but you could see the growth, you could see the height that it's picking. It shows you it's doing wonderful. All right, so when you see a plant like this, you feel good because you see progress and you see that yes, I will able to have some harvest because these are healthy plants. This is another one growing really well, pushing out a lot of new leaf, pushing out flowers, which is awesome. The plants looking beautiful. These are the things I pay attention to, guys. So if I don't see great progress, I know that something is not right, and what do I need to do to change what is going on. This one as well, looking healthy. The most important thing is looking healthy and producing. Not just looking healthy, also producing. That means a lot. All right, this one also producing and looking healthy. Same thing with this one right here. Producing and looking healthy, which is important. This one producing and looking healthy. That's important, guys. Like I now mentioned, it's not about just being healthy. Because I see healthy plants before and they're not producing anything, meaning the lack of something. So the goal is searching them and make sure they're producing. Okay, look at this one here. This one is doing awesome. It have an eggplant growing. It growing well. We also see up here it producing. We also see producing. Let's look at the body. And the body shows us wonderful. This plant is doing wonderful. All right, so let's go up here and see what's going on this side. All right, this one is doing awesome. This one have on several flowers, pushing out more flowers and also pushing out new growth. That's important. The stem looking healthy, that's important. The leaf looking healthy, the stalk looking healthy and also producing, that's important. This is the next one right here, same thing. Healthy leaf, healthy stem and producing. Okay, let's go over to this side here. This is what I look into, guys. I look into the growth, the production, because it's important. Like I said, if you notice your plant is not doing well, then you could pay attention and figure out what I need to do to get these plants to produce or grow better. All right, so what you're seeing here is the growth is awesome. It pushing new leaf, the stalk is real healthy, and it's also producing. Same thing with this one. Same thing with this one. They all pushing new leaf and producing at the same time. Look at this one here too. This one have a nice one growing. It also have growing and the stem beautiful. The leaf is beautiful. This is how we know we run the tests of great production on our eggplant. We have a few more here, so let's see what's going on. Okay, this marigold is to drop pollinators. All right, this one really well, the growth doing really well. Maybe this I need to strip some of these limbs that it can get more sun. This one is doing really well. The leaf the body is doing wonderful, and we see it pushing out right there. This other one here, same thing, healthy leaf, healthy stalk, and it's producing. Same thing with this one. So what I've now shown you here, guys, I've shown you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I show you about 15 eggplant, and all of them is in the same good stage. They all growing beautiful. Their leaf is healthy. Their stalk is healthy. They all pushing out flowers. Some of them already have an eggplant. So that shows me that the plants is doing wonderful. And this is how we know our garden season could be very successful, by paying attention to our plants. Let's go over here and check out this another eggplant. This is another eggplant right here. Okay, and this one, something wrong with this one. The plant is healthy, but this one, I don't know what happened. I don't know if this area is too damp. I don't know what happened. But this is why it's important. This is exactly why it's important you need to check your plant. Even though we see the plant look healthy, we still see it producing, but we need to know what happened to this, what happened here, what happened, why this rotten away from this. What happened? Is it lack of sunlight because we have all these plants around it? We have those edos around it. What made this happen? This is how you get better in gardening. This is how you get great in gardening, by learning from each plant. So now we need to know why this end up like this. So what we're gonna be doing, we're gonna be all these edo leaf that comes over, we're gonna get rid of them, because we realize this is a damp area. You notice, watch the ground, pretty damp. Look down there, pretty damp. And we have to figure out what caused that to happen. That's how you get great. That's how you learn. That's how you know. And you get better because you're learning. All right? Thank you guys for watching. I hope you all enjoy. Please like, subscribe, and share.